Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Sufa Intellectual School. My name is Kishwar and I will teach you maths. I hope you will enjoy learning maths with me. Before we start our lecture, we have to recite dua. So repeat after me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. रब्बी शरह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर व बिका नस्तईन या फ़त्ताहु या फ़त्ताहु या फ़त्ताह आमीन. Now we can start our lecture. Grade 2. Open your maths book. Today we are going to continue our first unit and the unit name is whole numbers. Our previous lectures, we have learned about numerals and numbers that comes after, between, before a number. Now we are going to discuss about missing numbers. In this topic we will discuss, our today's topic is missing number. In this topic we will discuss about missing numbers. Write the missing numbers, what comes after and before a number. Complete the number sequence, writing numbers up to 1000. इस टॉपिक में हम मिसिंग नंबर्स लिखेंगे. हमारे पास कुछ नंबर्स गिवन होंगे और कुछ नंबर्स हमें नहीं दिए होंगे, मिसिंग होंगे. हमने वो मिसिंग नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं और उन मिसिंग नंबर्स को लिखना होगा. और हम वो मिसिंग नंबर्स फाइंड आउट कैसे करेंगे? हम विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ आफ्टर एंड बिफोर नंबर्स हम वो मिसिंग नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे और कंप्लीट द सीक्वेंस. जब हमें गिवन नंबर्स 1 और 2 दिए जाते हैं, कोई से भी दो नंबर दिए जाते हैं, तो हम जब मिसिंग नंबर फाइंड आउट करके उस तरतीब को, उस सीक्वेंस को एक प्रॉपर शेप में ले आते हैं, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? काउंटिंग नंबर्स को प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में, प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में लेके आ जाते हैं, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सीक्वेंस ऑफ नंबर. Sequence of number. So we have to complete the number sequence and then we have to writing numbers up to 1000. हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे मिसिंग नंबर्स जब हम सीखेंगे तो हम इसमें राइटिंग नंबर्स अप टू 1000 तक नंबर्स भी सीखेंगे. Now moving to the next one. Let's watch a video in order to better understand the concept of missing numbers.
What are we saplings in the basket. We have to plant them and they will grow into trees. Come, help me carry this basket. Amber, can you see the holes in the ground? We have to place one sapling in each hole. All the saplings have to be placed in order. Look at this sapling, Amber. This is number 33. Now, we have to find out the numbers that come before and after 33. So you tell me, which sapling should I place just before number 33?
I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wait, Amber. It will take a long time if you keep counting like this.
But uncle, only then can I find the number before 33.
No, dear. I will show you a simple way of finding the numbers that come before and after any number. Sapling 33 has been already planted. We have to find the numbers that come before and after 33 first. Let us find the number before 33. For this, we will start counting backward. So, we have 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, and so on. So, now we know that the number which comes before 33 is 32.
Uncle, now how will we find the number that comes after 33?
To find the number that comes after a given number, we shall count forward ever. So we have 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and so on. So after 33 comes the number 34. Very good, Amber. Now, let's plant the rose bushes, Amber. This is number 79. It has been already planted. So, we shall plant rose bushes before and after it.
I will calculate which number will come before and after Uncle Brown. Now let us calculate the numbers to the left and right of 79.
Now, Amber, instead of using the counting forward and backward method, use another method. This is the addition and subtraction method. Subtract 1 from the given number to find the number before it and add 1 to find the number after it. Try it out, Amber.
Okay, Uncle Brown. So to find the number before 79, I will subtract 1 from 79. So 79 minus 1 will give me 78. So uncle, I will place the sapling number 78 before 79. In the same
Aren't we delightful?
Of course, you do look delightful.
Have you come for the tree plantation campaign?
Yes, Amber. Each of us is going to plant a tree. We'll meet you after we finish our work.
Okay, see you then. Amber and I are going to take a nap now.
Hello there, guys. How come it's only 8 of you? Where are your two brothers?
Oh no, Amber, can you find out which ones are missing?
Sure. Now the space between 63 and 65 and 66 and 68 are missing. I have to find which ones are these. Let me make use of what Uncle Brown has taught me. I will start counting forward. 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. So, in between 63 and 65, the number missing was 64. Again, to find the number between 8 and 68, I will count forward from 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 17. So, the missing number is 67. So, the snails 64 and 67 are missing. Am I right, Uncle Brown?
Absolutely right, Amber. You found the missing numbers correctly.
Thank you, Amber. Now that we know who is missing, might as well go and search for them. Bye, Mr. Brown. Bye, Amber.
Bye. Hope you find your brothers soon.
Each number has a number before and after it. The number before a given number can be found by counting backwards or by subtracting 1 from the number. The number after a given number can be found by counting forward or by adding 1 to the number. Counting forward or backward also helps us to find the missing number between two numbers.
Now moving to the next one. I hope you like the video. Here we have missing numbers. And we have worksheet. In this video, we have learned about how to find missing numbers. Missing numbers को कैसे find out किया जाता है? Given number में आफ्टर नंबर्स अगर हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं तो गिवन नंबर में हम 1 ऐड कर देते हैं तो हमारे पास आफ्टर नंबर हमें मिल जाता है। और बिफोर नंबर अगर हमें चाहिए होते हैं तो हम गिवन नंबर में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं तो हमें बिफोर नंबर्स मिल जाते हैं। नाउ लेट्स प्रैक्टिस हियर। और सेकंड मेथड, इसमें हमने क्या पढ़ा था, क्या लर्न किया है कि फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग के थ्रू हम मिसिंग नंबर्स को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं और बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग के थ्रू हम बिफोर नंबर्स को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। नाउ प्रैक्टिस, let's start practice here. First we have number 77. Now tell me what comes after 77. 78. What comes after 78? 79. What comes after 79? 80. What comes after 80? 81. What comes after 81? 82. What comes after 82? 83. What comes after 83? 84. Here we have another one. We have two numbers, 63 and 66. Now here we have to find number before 63. Two numbers before 63. We have to find two numbers before 63. So now tell me, what comes before 63? 62. And what comes before 62? 63. Now tell me, what comes after 63? 64. And what comes after 64? 65. And what comes after 65? 66. And what comes after 66? 67. And what comes after 67? 68. Here we had complete the number sequence. Now moving to the next one. Here we have another example, and we have three numbers here: 68, 71 and 74. Now tell me, what comes before 68? What comes before 68? 67. What comes before 68? 67. Now tell me, what comes after 68? 69. What comes after 69? 70. What comes after 70? 71. What comes after 71? 72. What comes after 72? 73. What comes after 73? 74. Here we had complete a number sequence. Now moving to the next one. Here we have to write all the after numbers with the help of forward counting. We have a number 93, then we have a number 96, and then we have a number 99. Now, what comes after 93? 94. What comes after 94? 95. What comes after 95? 96. What comes after 96? 97. What comes after 97? 98. What comes after 98? 99. And what comes after 99? 100. 100. Now here we have another one. Now we have to find what comes before a number 81. What comes before the number 81? What comes before 81? What comes before 81? 80. And what comes after 81? 82. What comes after 82? 83. What comes after 83? 84. And what comes after 84? 85. And what comes after 85? 86. And what comes after 86? 87. इतना याद रखिएगा कि जब हम फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करते हैं, नंबर्स आफ्टर हमें फाइंड आउट करने होते हैं, तो हम फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करते हैं, प्लस हम गिवन नंबर में नंबर 1 ऐड करते हैं, तो हमें आफ्टर नंबर्स मिल जाते हैं. ठीक है. और जब हम बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करते हैं, हमें बिफोर नंबर्स चाहिए होते हैं, तो हम बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करते हैं, तो हमें बिफोर नंबर्स मिल जाते हैं. प्लस हम गिवन नंबर में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, तो हमें बिफोर नंबर्स मिल जाते हैं. ठीक है. Now moving to the next one, missing number. We will have to write the next numbers and before numbers and between numbers of given number. हमारे पास जैसे हमने प्रीवियसली वर्कशीट में किया कि हमें नंबर्स बिफोर दिए गए, नंबर्स गिवन नंबर्स दिए गए, बिफोर नंबर्स दिए गए, हमें आफ्टर नंबर्स लिखने थे, और बिटवीन नंबर्स दिए गए तो हमें आफ्टर और बिटवीन, आफ्टर और बिफोर दोनों नंबर्स लिखने थे, और हमें बिफोर नंबर्स दिए गए तो हमें आफ्टर नंबर्स लिखने थे, उन नंबर्स के आफ्टर नंबर लिखने थे। तो हमें गिवन नंबर जो भी दिया हुआ होता है, चाहे वो बिफोर नंबर हो, चाहे वो बिटवीन नंबर हो, और चाहे वो आफ्टर नंबर हो, हमें उन नंबर्स के बिटवीन, बिफोर और आफ्टर नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने होते हैं। When we write after numbers, before numbers and between numbers of given number, we complete the sequence of the numbers. जब हम गिवन नंबर के नंबर्स बिफोर लिखते हैं, नंबर्स आफ्टर लिखते हैं और नंबर्स बिटवीन फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं, तो हम कंप्लीट नंबर सीक्वेंस कर लेते हैं। ठीक है, नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन। Here's your book page. Write the missing number. Here we have numbers and we have to write after numbers. Okay, look at the first one. We have a number 145. Then what comes after 145? 146. What comes after 146? 147. What comes after 147? 148. What comes after 148? 149. What comes after 149? 150. What comes after 150? 151. What comes after 151? 152. What comes after 152? 153. What comes after 153? 154. What comes after 155? 54. 155. What comes after 155? 156. And what comes after 156? 157. And what comes after 157? 158. Now moving to the next one. Here we have number 270. What comes after 270? 271. What comes after 271? 272. What comes after 272? 273. What comes after 273? 274. What comes after 274? 275. What comes after 275? 276. What comes after 276? 277. What comes after 277? 278. What comes after 278? 279. What comes after 279? 280. What comes after 280? 281. What comes after 281? 282. What comes after 282? 283. Now moving to the next one. Here we have number 521. What comes after 521? 522. Then we have 523. What comes after 523? 524. What comes after 524? 525. Then we have 526. Now what comes after 526? 527. 7. What comes after 527? 528. Then we have 529. What comes after 529? 530. What comes after 530? 531. Then we have 532. What comes after 532? 533. What comes after 533? 534. Now moving to the next one. Here we have a number 769. What comes after 769? 770. What comes after 770? 771. What comes after 771? 772. What comes after 772? 773. What comes after 773? 774. What comes after 774? 775. What comes after 775? 776. What comes after 776? 777. What comes after 777? 778. What comes after 778? 779. What comes after 779? 780. What comes after 780? 781. What comes after 781? 782. Now moving to the next one. Here we have a number 988. We have to tell number before 988. 988. What comes before 988? 987. 987 is a number before 988. Now tell me, what comes after 988? 989. And what comes after 989? 990. What comes after 990? 991. And what comes after 991? Here we have a number 992. Now what comes after 992? 993. What comes after 993? 994. What comes after 994? 995. What comes after 995? 996. And then we have a number 997. What comes after 999? 997. Sorry, 997. 998. What comes after 998? 999. And what comes after 999? 1000. Now moving to the next one. Here's your homework. Do question number 8, page number 16 on your books. Good luck. Allah Hafiz. Take care.